I can't find him in here. Oh,
No sign of little Adder in there either.
where could he be? What is it, Angus? Maybe he slithered up that snaky mountain path.
That sure does sound like the kind of thing a snake would do.
Well spotted, Angus. Aw, I don't see any snakes.
No, me neither. And it's cold up here. I wish I'd asked Nanny Patrick to knit me a Saul scarf.
I wonder if we've been looking in the wrong places. Remember, Nanny Patrick was knitting snake sweaters because the snakes were so chilly.
And little Adder hadn't got his yet.
So maybe he went to find the warmest place around. But where would that be?
Not up here, that's for sure.
Nanny Patrick might know. Let's go back and ask her.
Perfect. All done. Well, did you find little Adder?
We think we know where he might be. Where's the warmest place around here?
Warmest place? Well, there really isn't anywhere warm enough for a snake.
What is it, Angus?
Let me have a look. Well, I never. So that's where you've been hiding out, little Adder? This'll help keep you warm. But really, ancient Ireland just isn't a suitable place for snakes to live.
Unless we build a roof over Ireland and make it into a giant terrarium.
A terrarium is where you keep pet reptiles, Angus. I think the snakes would be much happier if they could move to a warmer country.
That's a great idea, Kiva. But Ireland is an island. So how could all the snakes get across the sea to a sunnier place?
What if our fancy float could float? I've got an idea! The float boat is ready for launch.
Super mod, Saul.
Now, which way do I go?
Use the compass. It'll guide you.
You two have thought of everything. Oh, thank you so much. Nanny Patrick and the snakes bid you farewell, Ireland. That's snake speak for thank you.